Hi guys, so this is the final results after gluing the different components of the molds. As you can see, the molds match really good the actual parts. On most areas the surfaces are really smooth, continuous and matches the original design. However, there are some areas where there are small gaps which I measured earlier and the values were between 1/10 to 5/10 of a millimeter, which is perfectly fine because it matches the original design, which allowed deviations of about 3 millimeters. As for the small gaps, I'll be using a filler primer which I bought in a local automotive store and a P400 sandpaper. So now it's really the time to enjoy sanding everything, make a really nice and smooth surface finish, which will emphasize the beauty of the surfaces and will affect directly the appearance of the final product. That's all for now guys, see you on the next stage.